indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include iPod adapter, power windows, halogen headlamps, USB adapter, MP3. With these ratings, come test drive the 2015 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.